maybe I would agree that I move to invite the City Mayor Art Mercado to be invited here so he could also explain, and then to be fair also with the City Mayor, I so move, Mr. Chair.
Tinatanong nga kita di ba sabi mo kanina, ito on record you're under oath.
Yes, sir.
Wag mong baguhin statement mo. Sabi mo kanina, you're still waiting for the instruction of your chief of police, tama?
Yes, sir.
And you're questioning the presence of those elected councilors. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Mr. Chairman, in fact, that building, no? Yung palapag na yon, bahay yun ng mga konsyal. That is the house of councilors. You don't have any business in that place. If you want to secure or maintain the peace and the order of that place, nandun kayo dapat sa labas. Ikaw, Hepe, tama bang sinasabi niya that he is waiting for your instructions?
Congresswoman Matibag.
Since, Mr. Chair, since Kapitan June Inyon mentioned his issue regarding political persecution, and maybe I would agree that I move to invite the City Mayor Art Mercado to be invited here so he could also explain, and then to be fair also with the City Mayor, I so move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion. Any second in motion? Any objection? Yes, so before we approve. Congressman Paduan.
Chairman, eto, manifestation lang Tama ba, Sarento, tama ba yung pagkarinig ko na you question the presence of elected councilors in that place because you have to wait for the instruction of your chief of police?
I'm just only asking, sir.
No.
Because
At tinatanong nga kita di ba sabi mo kanina, ito on record you're under oath.
yes, sir.
Wag mong baguhin statement mo. Sabi mo kanina, you're still waiting for the instruction of your chief of police, tama?
Yes, sir.
And you're questioning the presence of those elected councilors. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Mr. Chairman, in fact, that building, no? Yung palapag na yon, bahay yun ng mga konsyal. That is the house of councilors. You don't have any business in that place. If you want to secure or maintain the peace and the order of that place, nandun kayo dapat sa labas. Ikaw, Hepe, tama bang sinasabi niya that he is waiting for your instructions?
Yes po, sir.
Oh, anong dapat na instruction mo? Napapayagan yung mga konsyal ng bayan na pumasok? That you will allow them to enter their house?
Sir,
Ito, Mr. Chairman, RD, ito usurpation of authority to. Again, hindi rin ako maniwala, nakahepe lang yun. On record, I am not pinpointing somebody behind the chief of police, but what I'm saying is, wala kayong karapatan na pigilan, sisain, tanungin yung mga elected councilors because that is their place. Bahay nila yun. RD
Are you...
Ako, question of peace, maintaining peace, wala akong problema doon. But to question and ask and wait for the instruction of the chief of police coming from the statement of a Sarinto, medyo may problema tayo dyan, RD. Sobra na yan. Parang martial law ang ginagawa niyo doon.
Chief, can you clarify, Chief, kasi I believe that there is an issue about the battle between the ABC in the city of San Pedro. Is that correct? Medyo
Yes,
may
po,
labanan
Mr.
dyan eh. Di ba?
Yes,
And
po.
I'm trying to be fair in here because I've been the congressman of that city for so many years. As a matter of fact, 12 years yung congressman dyan. But alam ko yung meron silang nangyayaring battle between the ABC. So ang tanong ko doon, kasi hindi ako masyadong familiar doon sa pagpasok doon sa session hall. Sino ba mga pumasok sa session hall?
Nakita ko po, sir, sina Konsehal Ambayek, si Kapitan Juninyon, and their companions, yung party po nila.
Pero ang pagpasok nila doon sa, well, si Consehal London Ambayek, being a councilor, have the right to enter the premises of the Sanggunian. Is that correct? May karapatan siya, konsehal siya. So ang tanong, what is the reason why Kapitan Jun Inyon is about to enter the session hall? Anong reason?
To conduct their activity, Mr. Chair.
What activity?
The ABC election, Mr. Chair.
The ABC election, which was already been decided upon.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So yung ABC nagkaroon na ng eleksyon.
Yes po, Mr.
Pero ang
Chair.
election nila is the election for the ABC already been finalized, I believe.
Not yet, sir. Not yet po.
Not yet.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Well, I think the police have the right to secure the place. The chair believes in that. But preventing a member of the council to enter the premises is somehow, I think, not right, no? But I really don't know the story why they entered both the councilors. Si Lonlon Ambayek lang ba ang pumasok doon na konsehal?
No, sir.
Sino pa mga konsehal na pumasok doon?
Hindi ko lang po sigurado that time, sir, kasi wala po ako doon. But then may nakita ako.
May I ask the press, is there anybody who entered the premises of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, the session hall, aside from Konsehal Lonlon Ambayek?
Isang konsel lang po yung natatanda akong...
And who is that councilor? Lonlon.
Yung pong nasa video ko, yung pong yung
And who is that?
pinipigilan ng mga polis pumasok.
That is Lonlon.
Oo, saka all barangay captains, no, yung 14 barangay captains sa tayo.
Was there any commotion during that time, Hepe? Ano nangyaring commotion doon? Nagkatulakan ba? Nagkaroon ng ano? What happened?
Wala naman pong physical na tulakan po, Mr. Chair. Nagkaroon lang po ng discussions. Nagkaroon ng issue na hindi daw po namin sila pinapapasok sa session hall, Mr. Chair.
Is that correct?
Ang nilalaman po nung video ko time na yun, Mr. Chair, nakasarado po yung pintuan ng session hall at doon mismo nakaupo yung mga polis na sa may pinagpatong-patong ng monoblock na iniharang doon sa pintuan. Ako nga po bilang mamamahayag, nagtataka po ako, alam ko po may special session na iniutos sa atayo itong Liga ng Barangay ho, na kala magsagawa na ng... nagtataka ho ako bakit nakasarado. Dapat po, hindi ba dapat?
And that's the reason why I really don't want to dwell on on that issue so much, because there is an ongoing, I think Attorney Matibag, there is still ongoing battle between the ABC and the City of San Pedro. And until right now, hindi pa po nasa-settle kung sino ang ABC doon. But yun na nga, sinasabi natin, there are some lapses on the part of the chief of police regarding sa one member of the council na hindi pinapasok. And what is the reason why hindi siya pinapasok? Yun ang tanong natin sa iyo, Hepe. Then after that, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, yung aming police po doon, sir, they are there because to secure, because there are two groups. One from the ABC, si Yung ABC po natin doon and the other group is from Kapitan Jun Inyon. So, nandun po kami, Your Honor, to secure para kung sakaling may tensions, at least po ma-diffuse po.
Okay. So, I know you really wanted to interject may I remind the members again, gagalit na si. So, Congressman Busita, you have the floor. And then Congressman Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Magandang tanghali, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, meron lang po akong clarify kay former Chief of Police, Colonel Balinsona. Colonel Balinsona, may report dito ang Provincial Director ng Laguna PPO. Ikaw ang nagpa-relieve kay Patrolman Hipol, inaanak sa kasal ni Congresswoman Matibag.
I know you really wanted to interject may I remind the members again, gagalit na si. So, Congressman Busita, you have the floor. And then Congressman Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Magandang tanghali, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, meron lang po akong clarify kay former Chief of Police, Colonel Balinsona. Colonel Balinsona, may report dito ang Provincial Director ng Laguna PPO. Ikaw ang nagpa-relieve kay Patrolman Hipol, inaanak sa kasal ni Congresswoman Matibag. Mr. Chair, gusto kong malaman, anong reason bakit mo siya ipinarelieve?
Good morning po, sir. Sir, for personal swapping po, sir.
Walang ibang reason?
Wala po, sir.
RD, Mr. Chair, RD, sino po ang nagkakandak ng investigation against Colonel Balinsona? Is it R7 or P7?
R7, Your Honor. And meron na po tayong na-file na case with all the regarding sa mga incidents that are being tackled today, Your Honor. Hinahandle po ito ng dilos natin, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede bang isuggest kay RD na isama po sa investigation itong pagka-relieve niya PO Patrolman Hipol? Why? Nagiging malpractice, Mr. Chair, sa PNP, bulong lang, sibak na ang PNCO. Wala silang protection eh. Sabi, dapat professional ang police. Pero during the previous hearing, Mr. Chair, kitang-kita na ang loyalty ni Colonel Balinsona ay sa mayor ng San Pedro. Samantalang, hindi dapat ganon. Ilang months ka na sa San Pedro Police Station. Hindi ka pa nag-courtesy call sa Congresswoman ng distrito. So, ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, dapat ang loyalty po ng pulis sa mamamayan, hindi sa politiko. Kung ang pagsisilbahan ninyo ay politiko, na mali naman ang instruction, ganyan ang mangyayari sa inyo, Colonel Balinsona. May kaso, floating, pagmamalasin, madidismiss ka pa sa service. At the same time, ginagamit ninyo yung inyong mga personnel. So again, Mr. Chair, suggest ko lang po kay RD, PRO4A, General Locas, isama po ninyo sa investigation yung pagka-relieve ni Patrolman Hipol. Hindi dapat payagan yung ganitong practice eh.
We'll do that, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, finally, last, Congressman Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I ask COMELEC, yung bang election ng ABC, kailangan ba ang police doon? Insofar as your rules and regulations are concerned?
Hindi na po kami kasama sa election ng ABC, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Sarge, sino yung team leader mo?
Police Captain Relio Malinab, sir.
Is he present?
Yes, sir.
Kasi siya dapat ang tanungin ko eh. Pwede bang maupo doon yung team leader kasi yun dapat ang nakakalam at may responsibilidad eh.
Okay, the team leader is being asked to occupy the vacant seat, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, and to the honorable members of this committee, to my regional director, to the provincial director of Laguna. Good afternoon po.
Please identify yourself.
I am Police Captain Rogelio P. Malenab, Your Honor.
Police Captain
Rogelio P. Malenab. Malenab po, sir.
Marenap.
Yes, sir.
Captain, sino po ang nag-utos sa inyo na mag-provide kayo ng security sa ABC election?
Your Honor, we have a duty detail order signed by our Chief of Police, Your Honor.
Okay.
Dated January 14, Your Honor.
Yes. Napansin ko lang, memoryado niya no lahat ang tanong ko dahil na-brief na kayo kahapon eh, according to my informant. Kwan na. So, alam nyo na lahat yung aspeto. Normally, kayo ba ay nagpro-provide talaga ng security sa ABC election?
Yes, sir. Because previously, sir, last December 15, there was a first set of ABC election, Your Honor. And then we provide area security, Your Honor.
Meron bang Colonel Valenzuela, may nag-request ba sa inyo na mag-provide kayo ng security sa ABC election?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sino po yung nag-request?
Yung memorandum circular DILG na for us to provide and ensure the smooth conduct of election together with the ABC incumbent ABC chairman.
Yes. Now, did you follow? Sinunod nyo ba yung memorandum circular na yun?
Yes po, Your Honor, sir.
Ang sinabi is, you should assist in the conduct of a peaceful ABC election.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Tama. Now, yung sinabi po ni nung member ng media, wala pong katotohanan.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, ang ibig niyong sabihin, nagsisinungaling, itong media na nandun noong araw na yon.
Yes, Your Honor.
At sinasabi niya, meron siyang mga video clips na tapos dinideny pa rin ninyo. So, hindi totoo na naglagay kayo ng upuan na doon sa pintuan na papasok doon sa session hall.
Your Honor, upon our arrival,
Hindi ko tinatanong yung explanation mo, Iho. Ang tinatanong ko ay kung totoo yon. Ang sagot lang po doon ay yes or no. Hindi totoo na hindi kayo naglagay ng mga upuan doon sa pintuan ng papasok sa session hall.
hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo naglagay.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Hindi po.
Under oath ka, Iho.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yes. Kung mapapatunayan na ikaw ang nagsisinungaling at hindi yung member of the media na nandun nung araw na yon, eh may kalalagyan ka. Kasi hindi, kung ako ang tatanungin at ikaw ay nagsisinungaling, Iho, hindi lang perjury ang i-charge ko sa iyo, hindi ka masasite in contempt. Kasi as an officer of the law, magsasabi ka dapat ng katotohanan. I will
Yes, Your
file a
Honor.
charge against you administratively. Kasi ayaw ko na pinagsisinungalingan ako eh. Kaya pwede mong bawiin. Alin ang totoo?
Hindi po namin prevent yung constitutional rights
Hindi
nila
yun ang
for
tanong
ano,
ko.
Your Honor.
Hindi kayo naglagay ng upuan para maharang yung pagpasok sa pintuan ng session hall. Yun ang tanong ko. Very specific.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano ang yes?
Hindi po.
Hindi. So, Mr. Chair, it's now the word of the team leader who secured the premises of the session hall vis-a-vis the statements of the media representative, though. So,
Okay.
in
It's up to
another
them.
hearing, maybe we will ask the media representative to present the video clips
Yeah.
that
Okay. So we'll be
he
asking
said
the,
that he
yeah.
took.
Yeah. Are you done, Congressman? Ako?
Yes.
So we'll be asking the media to present it in the next hearing, and
Last
then
round.
you ask the permission of Congressman JJ Suarez. Kanina pa late na tayo.
Mr. Chair, may I ask the media representative to submit a copy of the
Yeah,
video
please
clips
submit
to
the
the
video
committee?
to us, ano?
Para
And
mapag-aralan.
okay, so we will be proceeding. Oh, sige, I'll give you 1 minute, Congressman
Okay, thank you.
Paduano, and
Thank
then
you, Chairman.
Congressman Matibag.
When Chairman Akop asked the Chief of Police with regards to their authority, any mention about Memorandum Circular, the ILG?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Can you cite the provision? And second, do you have a written request from the Vice Mayor's office?
None, sir.
O none? O di wala palang request eh, ba't nandun kayo? You cannot cite that MC unless there's a written request coming from the Vice Mayor's office. You don't have the document.
Wala po, sir.
So who orders you?
Requested by the incumbent ABC chairman, sir.
May dokumento siya?
Wala po, sir.
Oh, wala pala eh.
Who is the
Now the
incumbent?
ABC incumbent chairman.
You go ahead.
The incumbent ABC chairman, if he requested your office, dapat he should ask permission to the Vice Mayor as the head of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Siya yung tatay dun sa bahay na yun.
Okay, thank you so much. So last, Congressman Matibag.
Sir, thank you. With the pattern of these events, Mr. Chair, I want to follow up the motion raised a while ago regarding the invitation for the city mayor as a resource person.
Okay, so there's a the motion for invitation to Mayor of San Pedro. It was already
Second
seconded a
motion.
while ago.
Yeah.
So any objection? So hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so we will be proceeding to the next item of our agenda. To all those who have been invited for the first agenda, you are now excused. You can leave this committee hearing. And then we are inviting those who have been invited for the issue of House Resolution number 1479 of Congressman Deputy Speaker JJ Suarez. For the meantime, this hearing is suspended for 2 minutes.
Okay.